Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down to I think it's going to be about device. Let's quickly check. It looks like it's not. No, there we go. It's under system settings, and right at the bottom you have backup and reset, and then you want to select reset phone and erase all data. It gives you a quick prompt. This will erase all data. I'm going to click on the erase data. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now, if you have any kind of photos, videos, music, personal documents, anything like that on here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Obviously, like the message states, otherwise this will be completely deleted and this cannot be undone. So the data would be permanently lost. Now I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm just going to select erase data for the second time, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.